Hello everyone. Apart from the application in enforcing contracts, interfaces can also be used in this way. So let's say we have two classes. Okay, we have a bird class and we have a fish class. Okay, and we have a sparrow. So sparrow is clearly a bird, and we have a salmon as a fish. Okay, now let's say you are creating some game or some kind of a virtual, simulator or environment, something like that, and bird can fly, bird can chirp, make sound. Okay, bird will build nest, whereas fish will, let's say, swim. Apart from that, now you identify that all the living beings in this environment that you are creating, let's say, they follow some common behavior. Okay, which you can club together in an interface. So all the animals, let's say, will have some common actions. In a diagram, if you want to show interfaces, it is shown with dotted lines. Okay. So there will be some common things for all living beings. That is, every living being has to eat, every living being has to sleep, respirate, etc. Okay. So this is the application of interfaces. Another application, that is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not allowed in case of Java. Okay, one class can extend only one another class, but it can implement any number of interfaces. Okay, a class can implement any number of interfaces. So in this program, we'll take a look at this particular example. Okay, so we have a bird class with the fly method, and we have a fish class with the swim method, and there is a common interface, that is interface animal actions. All the animals eat, all the animals sleep, and these are just method signatures. Okay, and now we have a class sparrow that extends bird and implements animal actions, just like we saw in the diagram. So it has to override the eat method and sleep method because it has implemented, or it is implementing the animal actions. Okay, so in the eat method, sparrow eats seeds, and in sleep method, sparrow sleeps in a nest. Okay, and similarly, class salmon extends fish, implements animal actions. It has to override the eat method. Salmon eats plankton and salmon sleeps or rests under water. Okay, in the sleep method. So in the main method, now let's take a look at polymorphism once again in the main method. In the main method, we have created a reference variable of the interface animal actions. That name of that reference variable is animal, and animal equal to new sparrow. So right now it's pointing towards an object of the class sparrow. So therefore eat and sleep methods will be from the sparrow class. And when at line 51, when the animal reference holds the address of a salmon object, the eat and sleep method calls that follow will cause the eat and sleep methods from the salmon class to be executed. Okay, we run this. The sparrow eats seeds, sparrow sleeps in the nest, salmon eats plankton, salmon rests underwater. As you can see, we also have fly method and swim method. But what will happen if here itself, if I say animal dot fly, this is valid because valid in the sense that it is pointing towards a sparrow object, and sparrow class, sparrow extends bird. So by the virtue of inheritance, sparrow class has fly method, but animal interface does not have fly method signature. Okay. So as I had mentioned in the polymorphism demo video as well, polymorphism can be done. That is a parent class reference can point towards the child class object and call a method of the child class object only if that method is an overridden method. That is, if the parent also has the signature and or the body of that method, and child also has that method, only then the parent class reference can call that method. Okay, so that's for this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, do post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.